Hi guys, my name is Mang or Jacqueline Mangle, and we're going to be playing Vending Machine Timeless Fun. I don't know what it's about, but I'm on this while it's downloading. So, your partner's I can't read most stuff, so can't stop you from getting every drink there. Well, I'm gonna go in. Don't forget, if you want to, you can like, subscribe, and comment whatever you like. I'm not forcing you to do any of this stuff. This is all your choice. The choice is yours. Play. I'm just gonna play. There's levels. I will play 5. I'll play 5 levels. Tap. Put money in machine. Okay. Oh, there's an arrow for whatever drink it is. So $1. Oh, you want me to do maths? Come on. Okay, well, I'll click this. I'm gonna click them all. Let me just try this out. Okay guys, I'm pretty sure I figured it out. So now I have drinks. I want a donut. Seriously, I just want a donut and some chocolate chip cookies. Okay, great. Oh. Okay. Okay, and you probably saw that the vending machine outline thing was a different color because there was something that you could click on it that made it a different color. I'm pretty sure it was new. Okay, so this is reset. So what we gotta do is like buy stuff. So you click on the amount of money and it actually goes in and you can see how much you've spent. Okay, now what we gotta do is tap the bottom of that and it goes down and you get it. And it's without money. Okay, so I guess we're going to do endless mode. Just a few things. Okay, I know what I'm gonna get. You shouldn't have left this up to me. I know that you guys know what I'm gonna get. I said that I wanted it. I'm getting it. How do I open it? I wanna open it. Now what do I have with it? What do I eat? Caviar scream. Don't look. Don't judge me. Don't judge me.